Boom, boom, and boom. How's it going, everybody? Today I thought it would be useful to talk about Coinbase and what purpose it serves. Coinbase, for anyone who is new to the market, is the easiest place to buy, sell, and manage your crypto portfolio all in one place. It makes things really simple. And today we'll be getting into how you can earn money with crypto by watching videos, how to utilize crypto, and my top 3 picks that you can buy on Coinbase. So without further ado, let's get started. The easiest place to buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. A lot of you may be asking, what is Coinbase? Coinbase is essentially a place where you can go in and you can search the market. They have about 25, maybe 30 plus cryptocurrencies that you can buy that each serve their own unique purpose. Coinbase is where you would get started if you wanted to buy your Bitcoin. It lets you keep all your digital assets in one place. So you take full control of the tokens, collectibles, by storing them on your own device. Going on to their website, we can see here, they have a pretty decent list of things that are listed on here that you can buy. Obviously, Bitcoin being number 1, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. And if we even go to prices, we can see here that they're letting us buy these Bitcoin or altcoins through their website. So as you see, the list goes on and on of the amount of coins that you can buy here, or you can also view their price. Each of these coins serves a different purpose. Coinbase, much like other websites, will show you the price of Bitcoin along with its change over the 24-hour period, and it will also give you a look at the market cap. The market cap being the total market size of each of these right here. So with Coinbase, you can buy cryptocurrencies on their app, but it is not safe to store on Coinbase.com, but it's not a good place to keep long term only because it still is at risk of hack. Another cool thing that Coinbase did come out with recently is their Coinbase wallet. So with their Coinbase wallet, you can actually take full control of your tokens and collectibles by storing them on your own device. This would be offline, and this would probably be the most secure way to store your cryptocurrencies. You have multi-coin support, digital collectibles, and secure storage here. Your keys are protected with secure, enclave, and biometric authentication technology. And you can explore the universe of decentralized applications, decentralized jobs, digital collectibles, and more, and just experience your way into the open financial system. Trade trustlessly. The wallet gives you access to leading decentralized exchanges and relayers where you can buy and sell tokens. And not only that, you can easily send and receive crypto anyone in the world as long as they have a Coinbase wallet as well. So we talked a little bit about Coinbase, a little bit about what it does, what it has to offer. One other really cool feature that they do have here is they let you earn crypto all for just watching a video. If you click on this link right here, you can literally guys, you can earn crypto while watching videos. All you have to do is create your account, start earning. You may watch a couple of these courses. I will put the link in the description below, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have already filled these out, and let me know how your experience is going with Coinbase. Kind of get into the market, you get an understanding of how the market runs, and then the questions start coming, right? And then everything starts. So this is a really good entry-level video for anyone who is new to the cryptocurrency market. So it makes it really easy to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies here, and also store them safely using your app. Cool. So in order to store your cryptocurrency, the app will let you store it on the website, and that's what would be known as a wallet. Now, this wallet on Coinbase is not the most secure, only because it is stored on the server. If you want to make your funds a little bit more safe, let's say you're putting quite a bit of money in there and you kind of want to make sure no one's getting a hold of it, you would want to download Coinbase Wallet so you can send your transaction and your funds offline in a safe, secure way. So once you do have your account created, if you go in, you can actually see where the rewards tab under the website will let you earn up to $50 just for watching videos, simply understanding the market and what it has to offer. So now that we made our account, another really cool feature with Coinbase is they let you earn annual percentage yields on your money. The annual yield offered for USDC rewards. Rewards occur daily and compound monthly, and the rate is always subject to change, so make sure we're paying attention to that. You do have an option of choosing which one that you want to yield, and it gives you the estimated reward here. So you can earn a staking reward 4.67% is the estimated annual rewards rate, which may change over time, and this is based off the Tezos staking rewards generated. These are just multiple ways that you guys can take advantage of this market and the things that it does have to offer. I do recommend taking a look into the coin before by going into the coin's website. So if we're not sure where to start and we see these annual percentage yields being offered, you might be a little skeptical at first, which is totally understandable. We can actually go to resources on the actual token itself, and we can open up their website to see what they have to offer, what kind of projects they have running. So now that we've talked a little bit about Coinbase, what it does, and gave a high level overview of the features that they offer, we are going to take a look into my top 3 picks that you can buy using Coinbase. First pick that I have to go with would be Chainlink. Chainlink is a real world node. Chainlink plays a really good role. They are in the DeFi space. Your smart contracts connected to real world data, events, and payments. So essentially Chainlink's plays as the middleman in all of this market. You can connect to any external API, easily connect smart contracts to the data sources and API functions that they need. You can send payments anywhere. Just looking at their website, they do look very reliable. Smart contracts require end-to-end reliability, and Chainlink is the smart contract that you can put for any input, any output. Smart contracts provide the ability to execute tamper-proof digital agreements. Smart contracts provide the ability to execute tamper-proof digital agreements, which are considered highly secure and highly reliable. In order to maintain a contract's overall reliability, Chainlink provides a reliable connection to the external data, and that provides end-to-end security. Chainlink is one of the major players in the game. It's something that I own. It's something that I would recommend looking into, but again, I'm not paid by any of these people. I'm not endorsed in any type of way. These are just things that I would like to bring out to the surface. Taking a look at Chainlink's ecosystem, we can see that they provide service to 285 other startups or other companies. The list goes on and on. Essentially, we see a lot of good names here, and so they provide Oracle nodes, essentially playing as the middleman for all these companies that are listed here. Every Chainlink partnership, collaboration, and integration all in one place for you to see, so they keep their information pretty transparent, letting us all know what they're up to and how they're providing value. Second pick on this list today that I have for you guys is a new one. It is one that I've made a video on in the past, Uniswap. It is a great decentralized protocol for trading any kind of altcoin, meaning alternative coin that's out there. Going over to Uniswap's website, we can see that they are an unstoppable liquidity for thousands of users and hundreds of applications. They have over 12,000 pairs, over 260 million in 24-hour volume, 2.4 billion in total liquidity. They are the Coca-Cola to the soda industry. They are the ones that everyone's using. They are the most trusted in the game. Moving over to Uniswap info, we can see here that it's giving us a overall look at the liquidity that they have on a day-to-day basis, 24-hour volume. You can toy around with that and see what they have to offer and their top tokens that have been moving around in their own chain. You can click here on the left, tokens, lets you see all the supported tokens they have in which you can buy. Guys, when I say tokens, these are all projects that are going on. People trying to solve real life issues using blockchain technology. Different sorts of pairs that you can use to provide liquidity. If you guys have big bags and you want to provide liquidity, this would be a place for you to start, look at, but always do your own research. Make sure you read into the fine print to understand what you are putting up at risk. Moving on to the number 1 pick, which is the safest pick if you guys are not buying Bitcoin. Ethereum would be the next place to look at in terms of corporate adoption, in terms of value that they're providing to the people. Ethereum is a global open source platform for decentralized applications, meaning they can do anything. You can write code that controls digital value and runs exactly as programmed and is accessible anywhere in the world. That's amazing to see and amazing to be a part of. About Ethereum, get to know about Ethereum, their wallets, their tokens, and more. Developers, if you guys are developing anything, then technology behind Ethereum and its applications, so you can start building with it anywhere for free. And moving on to Ethereum's main goal, which is corporate and enterprise adoption. See how Ethereum can open up new business models, reduce the cost of future proof for your business. Enterprise. What is America about these days? So why enterprise Ethereum? New business models and value creation opportunities, reduce cost of trust and coordination between business parties, improved business network and accountability and operational efficiency, completely future-proof your business, and compatible with public mainnet or permission private network. So essentially this thing can go anywhere and provide value to anyone. If you guys are using Coinbase, I'd love to know your thoughts on it. What else do you guys use? What other wallets are you guys using out there? Drop a comment below. Now, another cool feature about Coinbase is, let's say you've been using this for a while, you're kind of ready to take the next step, then Coinbase Pro would be the place for you to look. If we move over to Coinbase Pro, this is essentially a live marketplace happening all the time, and we can see trade history, the order book, buys, sells, the spread in between. And so this would be where you would want to go to start your journey using Coinbase Pro. So here we go into the live market. We can actually see the orders being placed, the Ethereum spread per transaction. Here's the sells, here's the buys, just like your regular money market, except we are contributing to the blockchain space. 97,000 link in a 24-hour volume, which we just talked about. And we see Ethereum, their trading pair. Really good stuff for you guys to check out. I highly recommend you guys checking that out. But that is about all I have for you guys today. Just want to make a short, quick, simple video for you to take a look into Coinbase and play around with it for yourself. If you guys are using it, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to see what your thoughts are. Let me know what other wallets you guys are using. I know MetaMask is out there. We'll be coming out with new videos about different wallets, different types of storages, and different ways of analyzing the market. Like the video, subscribe to the video, share this to your friends, let everyone know what's going on. And until then, we'll be back next time. Boom. Bye, 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 bye.